Alright, this is quiz 113, example 5. We're going to select all the polygons that have reflection symmetry. We got this line here to help us out. So this first one has reflection symmetry right down the middle that way, so this one does. Alright, this next one doesn't have any sides, doesn't matter which way you turn it. This one does not. No. This one right straight down the middle. Yes. Alright, this next one. See how these doesn't have any really same sides, so no reflection symmetry. No, this time we're gonna flip our thing around. Let's see if we can find a reflection symmetry this way. So look at this next one. No, no, no. Even if we flipped it back up the other way, it's still not gonna work, so no reflection symmetry. This one also doesn't seem to have any congruent sides like a regular polygon. Nowhere we could fold this. No. The letter F doesn't have anywhere we could fold it perfectly on top of each other. No. This last one doesn't have reflection symmetry this way, but if we do flip it, let's see, and try this way, it does. So yes.